back to my channel. Thank you so very much for tuning in. I really do appreciate the time, and I hope that you guys know that by now. As you guys can see by the title, today's video is all about hair. So on this side of my world, it is Wiggy Wednesday. Okay, so I'll be showing you my secrets, tips and tricks on how to get your hair or wig to be bone straight. So if you want your hair to look a little bit something like this and you think this video might be very interesting for you to watch, then please do stay tuned. If not, please click onto that subscribe button before you move on to the next video. I might be uploading a video that will be beneficial to you in the future. So with that said, let's get straight into the video.
Alright, first things first, you have to wash your wig, especially if you've had your wig for a pretty long time. Now, when you wash your wigs, do not forget to wash the wig cap. Let's not neglect the wig cap because we all know that's where the disaster lies. Let me leave it right there. Moving on to conditioner. So before rinsing out the conditioner, you can actually pop the hair into a plastic bag, tie the plastic bag up and throw it into the microwave for a young 5 minutes or so. And if your hair quality is not as good as it was and you really want that flow, you can leave it in the microwave for an extra 10 minutes. So 10 to 15 minutes should do for your hair. Now, before you move on to the blow drying of your hair, you have to air dry your hair first. The reason why we blow drying the hair is not because we want to dry the hair. No, we are blow drying the hair because we want it to be straight before we start straightening the hair. I know it just might seem like I'm not making any sense right now, but the reason why we're doing this is because we are trying to minimize the heat damage on the hair. All right, so basically what I'm trying to say is, instead of passing through the hair 3 to 4 times with the hair straightener to get it straight, we blow dry the hair first in order for us to pass through the hair twice or even just once with the hair straightener. So we are just kind of limiting the hair, the heat damage on the hair. All right, I really hope I make sense. So just blow dry your entire hair and get it to be as straight as you can possibly get it with the hair dryer. My point is, do not skip this step because this is an essential step to getting your hair to be and look bone straight. So don't skip this. Okay, so I'm going to be using this Denman brush as well as a rat tail comb, this Argan oil hair straightening spray, my straightener, and we're gonna get to work. Honestly, the process is quite simple and straightforward. So you just need to section out your hair 1 or 2 tracks and then just kind of get a little piece off of that section. Spray on the hair straightening spray, take your Denman brush and follow that with a hair straightener. All right, it's straightforward and not complicated at all. You don't have to go over the hair more than once, well, not more than twice actually. Let me just say that because it all depends on how hot your hair straightener can be. So I'm gonna shut up because I think I'm a bit annoying right now and irritating. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch and learn.
about to pop it onto my head and do some slight work. Just have to comb it into place. By the way, I've had this for the past, what, 8 months, 9 months. Yeah, 9 months. I wish I had someone to assist me with all of this, but I have nobody here to assist. But I hope that you guys can see what I'm trying to show you guys, just how bone straight this hair is. And yeah. This is my secret to bone straight hair, and if you've ever asked yourself how I get to do it, or you actually are one of the people who ask me how I get my hair to be bone straight, well, this is how I do it. This hair over here is raw Indian hair purchased from Majestic Crown Hair Boutique. It's 224 inches, 122 and 120 inch lace frontal. So that's my hair plug, and basically this is what I do to get my hair to look bone straight and stuff like that. And to be honest with you, I only straighten my hair once a month because it literally lasts me that long, and I don't wear my wigs every single day anymore, because sometimes I just literally rock my natural hair, flatten it out, and then have a hoodie on or a cap on, and then I go to work, because I'm that girl. But when I do put on the wig, it never disappoints. It's still straight. I just need to comb it out, and that's it. So the only time I actually have to straighten the hair is when I wash it. So I literally wash my wigs once a month, because I hardly wear them consecutively. I hardly wear them like more than 4 times in a month, because I kind of have quite enough wigs to alternate. But if you have one wig, just one wig, then this means you're gonna have to do this whole bone straight thing every single time you wash your hair. Or you can just simply do it once, you know, just do it once when you really need it to be bone straight. And if you don't want it to be bone straight, just wash it normally, and when you hang it to dry, just kind of comb it down and make sure that it is, you know, straight. I have an imaginary wig with me.
Bruh.
Down and make sure that it dries in its straight form, unlike with the curls where you have to squish them up and all of that. With the straight hair, you have to comb it with a comb like this, because this is going to help the hair to be as straight as you can possibly get it to be. So before you hang it to dry, just go through your hair with a comb like this, and then just dry it in this state. So there you have it. Those are my secrets, tips and tricks on getting your hair or wig to be bone straight. So if you've enjoyed watching this video or found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section down below if you have any further questions, or you'd like me to clarify something for you. You may also hit me up on any of my social networks. I will leave my social network links in the description box down below. Just check them out. It will lead you directly to my pages. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, I'd like for you guys to do so right now before you move on to the next video. Just make sure that the subscribe button is grey. If it's red, click onto it. And you may also click onto the bell next to the subscribe button in order for you to receive notifications when I do upload a video. With that said, I want to wish you guys love, joy, peace, happiness, and greatness, of course, but most importantly, blessings directly from above onto you and yours. Till we meet again in the next video, of course. Goodbye.